Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME C11 2021 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and now let's find the security. Let's tap on it. Here we have to scroll down a little bit and enter encryption and credentials. And as you can see at the very bottom of the list we've got the option to clear credentials. So let's tap on it simply. Your device will ask you if you really want to remove all the content, so all the certificates and licenses. So simply tap on OK, and as you can see we've got the information that the credential storage has been erased successfully. So actually this is it. This is how to remove credentials in your REALME C11 2021. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.